I am Teresa Pelinski. I'm a PhD student at the Augmented Instruments Lab at Queen Mary University of London, and my PhD is sponsored by Bela. So in my PhD, I've been trying to make it easier to run neural networks in Bela. The idea was to make it easier to prototype with neural networks. So that whole process of recording datasets, training models, and then deploying the network into the Bela, that whole process is quite tedious. So it's just not very inviting if you're trying to play around with sensors, or like if you're working with a musician and you're trying to have something quick and dynamic. You want something that is just a smooth workflow. Pybela is a Python library that allows you to communicate with Bela from a host computer. It allows you to request data. You can request how you want that data. Do you want it now? Do you want it a bit later? Do you want it as a binary file? Do you just want a stream of data? Maybe you're prototyping some AI model and you want to record a data set. It just makes that process of recording data sets or trying to, calibrate a sensor, it just makes the process smoother because you can just do everything from a Jupyter notebook. In my PhD, I have collaborated with artists, and I wanted to have something which was reliable enough that I could just be like, hey, let's record a short performance of what you're doing. I'm just going to try something here really quickly, and then we can try this new thing and see how it sounds. I just think it's interesting to try to look a bit further than AI and music as being only MIDI or only generating audio. There's all of these body aspects involved. And it's just interesting to try to run things on sensor signals. Running AI models on sensor signals is being done in other domains, in medicine, for example, or healthcare. But we often forget about this in music. I'm excited about the new Bela because it's a more powerful computer, which means that I'm going to be able to run a bit more complex things. Until now, I was limited to very simple LSTMs or RNNs, and I'm excited about this because I think I'm going to be able to run models that previously I was sort of outsourcing to a more powerful computer. More ambitious projects, definitely.